We're on the top of Lakeview Overlook here in Lake Mead, outside of Hoover Dam. And Neville, for his first time, he's going to take a good look-see at what's going on up here. As you see, there's a bunch of people up here. And wait till you see the beauty of this view. How about that? See, there's a picture marina, and then where we are up there, the trailers.
So this, when I was a kid, you see the trailers right there?
Yeah.
All this was covered in water, all the way through here, all the way around, all the way up, like almost just to the road. This was all covered. This wasn't even here. That was all down there.
Right.
This is where we used to run through here wide open. They used to call this Horsepower Cove when we were kids. We used to take our jet skis right through here, right where they put this whole new bay, because this part of the lake is deeper over there. The water keeps receding down and down, so they keep moving things farther and farther. At one time they had it over there, then they moved it here, and this is probably the deepest spot they're going to get.
Yeah, they still got the old boat launch up above.
Yep.
And it's a long walk down because it's all dry now.
And they keep extending it, and it's actually, you have to really have know how to launch your stuff here, because you got to get in deep, and sometimes you can almost sink your truck.
It's funny that where we are, it looks like the water. It looks like they're much closer to the water than they actually are.
Yeah.
That's because the water was receded that far, right?
Yep.
That's interesting.
There you have it, Lakeview Overlook.
Graciela, préstame tu teléfono.
Surf City Classics in the house. Lake Mead.
Isn't that a big wow?
It was a different one. It was still
Pretty, that's pretty much.
All right, just to say that I did. I think I see Neville way back there. I walked the length of the bridge, and we've come to the conclusion. You see Interstate 11 breeze by us. Can't go no further. Well, if I jumped the wall and walked down the side, but probably would get arrested, and that ain't happening. Looks like, is that my friend Christy? My boyfriend Rob? Who knows? Anyway, there we have it. The end of the line. Well, the bridge. And right down there is Arizona. Take a look-see from this side what it looks like. How about that? Oh, far down is that? Oh yeah, DanoVision, DanoLive takes you to places you never thought you'd ever see. And if you had, well, you know what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling. How about that? I got a shot at the clocks. Nevada side has the new standard time. In Arizona, the time didn't change. Hoover Dam Bypass, Michael Callaghan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. It is a civil engineering wonder, that's for sure. Neville Holmes, you ventured over to see the whole bridge. What's your first thoughts?
You can never get a view like this anywhere but here. So you have to come back the whole way because this view is different from that view.
Yeah.
You know, isn't it? I mean, where else would you have a? You know, look how high we are. And I mean, you would only get this close in a helicopter, right?
Right.
And now that they built this is tremendous.
What do you say? We're about a half mile up. Neville's going to touch the end of the wall so he can say he walked it all. We're going to document that he did. We'll zoom in a little closer. There he has it. He's almost at the end. He touched it. Yay! Yay! All right. There you have it. Oh. DanoLive, DanoVision. Let me wide out again. Beautiful. I was going to conclude the video, but we got one last soldier making his way across the bridge, so we'll wait till he gets a little bit closer. We'll get a word from him. I bet you don't know who I'm talking about. Sure you do. Sure you do. Brian Almas, you made it across the bridge. What's your take on this?
Dano, it's amazing. Over 16 million pounds of steel 30,000 yards of concrete was poured here, cubic yards. This place is amazing. And what's really amazing, Dan, is they built this place in 5 years. 5 years from start to finish. I've been coming here for 45 years. This is my first time on the bridge. It's amazing. I don't know what to say. Engineering and what they can do these days is just mind-blowing how they built this place.
And you were telling Neville and I earlier that you'd be down there at Willow Beach, and you'd take your jet ski all the way up to the dam right
I used
here.
to ride up all the way up to the overflows are on the other side. You can't see them. So when the water used to be all the way up, you can see those two towers over there. There's a spillway there, and the water used to flow over that, and it would spit out down here below. So you could get right up to about, you know, where you can see the spillways on this side. You see the spillway over there. They have it on the other side too. There's another spillway. You can actually see the spillway over there. Very over there would go over the top of the water would come in. It would come down through here and spit out here. So you couldn't get any farther closer than that because you'd get knocked off your jet ski. But it was really cool, like growing up here. And this is a special place. My family's come here since 1950s, and my grandpappy, my grandma, aunts and uncles, sisters and brothers.
And how far have you taken the family boat?
We've gone all the way up to Temple Bar through the Narrows. We've stayed in Temple Bar. We broke down once. We had to be towed back. I mean, there's a lot of stories at this lake. This lake's a special place. You know, it shows what Americans can do, what they can build. This was special. They built this in 1908, I think, or, you know, really a long time ago. And
I think it's in the 30s. Under Roosevelt, wasn't it?
I don't know for sure, Dan. Maybe 38. I know it was an 8 in it. I want to say probably you're right, in the 30s. And but it's a special place. It just really is. It's kind of like Neville says, all the big boulders and the Joshua trees and the cactuses. And if we get lucky, we'll see the mountain goats here pretty soon. And it's really cool to be here, especially with the Surf City Classics family. You know, we got Russell coming soon. We have Willie's coming. Willie's gonna be staying at the trailer. Devin's coming. So we're looking forward to all those guys show up. We're gonna have a big family here at SEMA. You guys all know we're here for the club, to bring the club to SEMA. Big Gare's coming on Monday. We're gonna represent. Darren built a badass whip with DWS. We have something really special. We're in the Mothers booth. Thanks to Jim DeVore sponsoring the club and being a part of Mothers. I'm really, really happy about it. I think it's a good thing for the club. I know that we're gonna have a great relationship, man. It's gonna be really cool.
Gonna be a fun time. And what do we always sing?
SEMA,
Las Vegas.
That's all right. You can't help it, baby. We love what we do. We're having fun.